I have some words for you about illnesses. Sometimes illnesses will ravage our body. And what I've found is that if I continue to be positive and continue to see myself as being well, my recovery time is very short. Sometimes it's a very serious illness, and sometimes it's not an illness within ourselves. So can we just think positively and make ourselves better? If we have a flu, if we have a cold, of course, we're going to feel better if we continue to see ourselves well. I've seen cancer ravage people's body, and they continued the fight and made themselves well because they believed that they could. But what do we do when it's a serious situation and it doesn't look like the answer is going to be there? What are we going to do for that person who's lost hope? The best thing that we can do is to be there for them, to offer our own positivity, to offer our own confidence in them as an individual and what they bring to our lives in that moment. Perhaps they're laying on a bed and they've got tubes in their body. What do you say to them? It's very difficult, isn't it? But if you remain hopeful, if you remain positive, if you're there bringing joy and sunshine, it can only make their day better. And I know it's very difficult to talk to someone about hope and about health and about thinking themselves well when they're laying on a bed and they're feeling so ill. But if you just bring with you that hope that you believe in, that spark of the possibility of wellness, and you bring it into that room, that person will feel it. That person will feel better. Something will happen within them. And it's never easy because we all have our different beliefs, and sometimes we believe that we can heal ourselves, and sometimes we lose hope. And if we lose hope, we can work on it. But if we're with someone who's lost hope in themselves, it makes it a little more difficult. But again, positivity. Keep it within yourself when you walk to that person. Keep the love in your heart for that person and let them know that even if they're ill, even if they're very seriously ill, they're still important. They're still valued. And every moment of breath that they have is going to be a moment that you can share it with them and that they can share it with those around them.